Unfolding nature's pages. Understanding Bee in Leaf. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the picturesque language of English idioms and phrases. In this video, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, bee in leaf. It's a phrase not commonly heard in everyday conversation, but it's rich with imagery and has its roots deep in the natural world. So, let's explore together and add another expression to your growing English vocabulary. When we say a tree is in leaf, we are describing a simple, observable phenomenon in nature. Just as a tree buds and eventually flourishes with leaves during the spring, being in leaf signifies the period when a tree is full of leaves. It's a state of lushness and growth, indicating health and life. Beyond its literal sense, bee in leaf can be used metaphorically. In literature and poetry, this phrase might be employed to symbolize a period of vigor and freshness, or to suggest that someone or something is at the peak of its life or condition. It can evoke feelings of renewal, just as spring brings new life to trees and plants. Let's put bee in leaf into context with some examples. The park is most beautiful when all the trees are in leaf. After a long winter, the whole countryside is finally in leaf. The metaphor of the company being in leaf suggests it's currently thriving and growing. These sentences show how the phrase can be used to describe both the natural world and, more abstractly, the state of something flourishing. While bee in leaf has its charm, it's not universally applicable. It would sound out of place in formal or technical communication. It's also not a common phrase in casual conversation, and using it metaphorically requires a context that appreciates poetic or figurative language. And there we have it, a small but beautiful addition to your lexicon. Bee in leaf. Whether you're strolling through a park admiring nature's cycles or weaving imagery into your speech, this phrase can add a touch of poetic flair. We hope you enjoyed this exploration and that it helps you see and describe the world around you with fresh eyes. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing, much like the trees that are in leaf.